back to another YouTube video, and today I will be showing you guys how to create one of these. But today I'll be doing it with the blue version. So yeah, you'll need these printable vinyl transfer sheets for light fabric. You'll need some rainbow reflective vinyl. You'll need some sewing pins. First, you want to get your transfer paper with the image that you printed already on there. And then you want to get your fabric. Like I said, you want to use light fabric for this. And then you want to lint roll it to getting extra dirt out. And then you want to take your image, place it on top of the fabric, and press it for 30 seconds at 360 degrees. And here you want to take your printed fabric, and then you want to cut a border around it. This is the border that you will sew once you turn a crew neck inside out. Now you want to make sure you leave enough border around it that you will not sew onto the image. Oh yeah, you want to sew very, very slow, and once you get to an edge, you want to lift up your foot, adjust it without taking the needle out. The needle should still be in at this point, and then you want to put the presser foot back down, making sure the crew neck and the image is as flat as possible. I'm just trimming up some of the excess pieces off of it.